Hello civilians. Welcome back to our channel. And today we'll be discussing why consuming content won't change your life. So, let's begin. Now we are often told to read books, watch videos, and consume content in any format we can so that we can enhance our knowledge and give ourselves a new perspective. But what if I told you that this is a big fat lie? There are millions of people that think if they read more books, watch more videos, or consume more positive content, then their life will change for the good and they will lead a better life. Although this is true to some extent that consuming content will enrich your brain with some wisdom, but it won't have an everlasting effect forever. If you want to truly change your life, then you need to change something in your life. There are millions of people who attend conferences, go to seminars, watch interviews, meet new people, buy courses, and do what not to change their lives. But at the end of the day, their life remains the same. So, what is the reason for staying the same despite consuming content from various sources? Well, the answer to this question is very simple. Consuming content won't change your life because you think that the so called gurus or motivational speakers have some sort of secret formula that will give you magical superpowers and your life will change upside down. The brutal truth is very simple. Your life won't change even a little bit, let alone upside down, if you don't actually change and do something about it. To give you some perspective, every smoker knows that smoking is harmful, yet smokes. Every alcoholic knows that drinking too much is harmful, yet he drinks. And almost every overweight person knows that junk food is harmful, yet eats the same junk food that made him or her overweight in the first place. You see, in each of the above cases, the people involved in different activities know their fate, but they still choose to continue the activities which would eventually harm them in the future. They have all the necessary information with them that would enable them to make better decisions, but they fail to act because they are too happy in their comfort zone. And as you know, comfort is the most dangerous and addictive drug out there in the world. We have made a video about it, do check it out. But this is exactly what happens with you as well. You know that something is harming you, but you keep pursuing it because you don't want to change it, as change requires effort and most people don't want to put in the effort. Hence, they try to think that there must be some sort of secret that will give them magical superpowers where they would get results without putting in the effort. This is also the reason why a lot of people consume various types of content in the form of books, videos, podcasts, seminars, and conferences. But the brutal fact of reality is that content is simply information, and while a lot of people believe that having more information will make them more knowledgeable, the sad reality is that knowledge isn't powerful. Only applied knowledge is powerful. Knowledge is simply information and thus worthless until and unless it's applied in a practical way to achieve your desired goals. I have to admit that I made the mistake of thinking that simply consuming content will change my life when the sad reality was that it won't change anything. I consumed hours and hours of content thinking that my life was changing for the good when my life was completely stagnant. Although it had some benefits over not consuming content at all, as I noticed a shift in my thinking, but my life didn't change a bit. Hence, it's high time that you should stop wasting your time, effort, and money on books, seminars, conferences, or on expensive gurus or coaches if you are not ready to put in the work. There are millions of people who claim themselves to be gurus and are teaching simple stuff at the cost of millions of dollars when the same information is available for free on the internet. Now, we aren't defaming or bad mouthing any gurus or motivation speakers. If someone is good at their craft and if they can help you with whatever you want from life, then you should hire them and pay them to get whatever you want. But simply paying millions of dollars to someone who is going to tell you to think positively, help others, have a big vision, recite daily affirmations, and to be the best possible version of yourself with each passing day isn't worth your time, effort, and money because number one, you already know the truth, and number two, you aren't willing to put in the effort. Consuming content isn't bad, it definitely has some benefits. If you consume content that allows you to think elaborately and clearly, then keep consuming it as in the long run you will be a better person who will learn to appreciate things in a better way. But don't completely rely on it as it won't help you very much. In the end, only you can help yourself. Until I didn't confront this truth, I didn't see any massive changes in my life. But now I'm experiencing a drastic shift in my life where I get more things done in less amount of time because now I spend more time doing the actual stuff that matters to me rather than just sitting around and consume content that tells me to be productive and to take action. Well, that was it for today, civilians. We hope that you liked our content. Do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for being with us until the end. We'll see you in the next one, and thank you.